The launching ceremony of the International Vegetable Standardization Industry Alliance was held on Monday in Shouguang, a major vegetable production base in East China's Shandong province. The alliance aims to provide a platform to conduct more cooperation in the fields of high-quality agricultural products, standards, and technologies.
土耳其和中国大农业国有很多合作的空间，特别是中国智慧农业和农业自动化方面有很多的合作空间。我希望通过联盟，更多的山东公司来土耳其考察，看看合作和投资的机会。
I am so impressed, for example, the smart equipment, 4 types of automatic irrigation system, and also breeding innovation. So impressive for me.